Hey everyone, this is Tayyebah from Cali Ripples Designs. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into something really exciting. I'm going to show you how to create a stunning ocean wave using fluid acrylic paints. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting out, this is going to be a fun and a creative adventure. Before we get started, I would love to know what's your favorite thing about the ocean. Let me know in the comments below. Alright then, let's get our colors ready and make some waves. So what I have in mind is that I'm going to make a wave that is in motion. Picture this, a wave rising from the depth, reaching towards the sky before arching back into the sea. I want to make the background of light blue color, but for this I need to make an outline for the wave so that I can pour some paint for my background first. I'm using my mixing stick to make a rough outline for my wave, and by the way I am working on 40 by 40 centimeters canvas. Here I am using King's Blue color by Amsterdam. The first color I'm using here is Phthalo Blue color by Amsterdam. Next color is a mixture of Phthalo Blue, Permanent Red Violet and a little bit of Titanium White, also by Amsterdam. Next color that I'm using is one of my favorite blues, Cerulean Blue by Artico. It is super opaque color, so I know it is going to be a dominant one in the palette. Next color is a mix of some leftover paints. It is probably a mixture of permanent red violet, Naples yellow and titanium white. Now I'm adding a blackish grey color to give some shading around the edges. That is also a mix of colors from the leftover paints. You might be wondering why I have too many mixes of colors. Actually, I love making the most out of every drop of paint. The drips and dribbles that escape from the canvas don't go to waste. I scoop them up and blend them into new surprising shades for my new painting. I love making it. It is always a fun part for me. Let's fill up the gaps with our base color. Now adding a little bit of titanium white, a little silver and metallic turquoise blue to give some highlights. Let's blow it out. As we zoom in closer, you can see the symphony of blues dancing across the canvas. Here, the deep, rich phthalo blue merges seamlessly into the vibrant shade of cerulean blue, giving our wave a kind of depth. And did you see the light crest? It is giving the illusion of sunlight piercing through the water and creating a lively, dynamic motion. I really love how it turned out. It makes me think of my memorable visit to the beach in Long Island, New York in 2018. It was my first and only time when I visited the beach, but since then it is living inside me somewhere in my heart. Tell me in the comments if you have ever visited the beach or living by the beach. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel if you love art like me and enjoyed making it. Till next video. Bye.